Good day po. Today we discuss some parts of computer, and we will give a brief explanation of its parts. And I'm James Grant Santos Laksamana, BSc from Dashport. So first, the case of the computer. This box contains the main components of the computer, including the motherboard, CPU, and other power supply. The next one is the motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer, serving as the central hub where all components connect and communicate. It houses key parts like the CPU, RAM, and storage devices. Next one is the power supply. It converts the power from the wall outlet to the type of power needed by the computer. It sends power through cables. So this is the graphics card of a computer. It helps your computer display image, videos, and animations on the screen. This is the CPU. CPU is the primary component responsible for executing instructions and processing data within a computer. It acts as the brain coordinating tasks, calculations, and communication between different hardware components to ensure the system operates efficiently. This one is the RAM, or random access memory. This is a type of temporary fast access memory that stores data and instructions currently being used by the CPU. It enables quick read and write operations, helping to improve the speed and performance of the computer by providing rapid access to frequently needed data. Hard drive. Hard drive is a storage device that permanently stores data, including the operating system, software, and files. It uses magnetic disks to read and write data, providing long-term storage, though it's slower compared to newer solid-state drives or SSD. SSD, or solid-state drive. This is a storage device that uses flash memory to store data, offering faster read and write speeds than traditional hard drives. This results in quicker boot times, faster file transfers, and improved overall system performance.